Up early this morning. Finished putting the old truck together this morning. Yep. I just got to finish hooking that fuel pump up on the inside. This little electric fuel pump that I just ran hot wires to real quick. Yeah, I just set the fuel pump right there. I got to go to the auto parts store and get me some wires, and I'm just going to run it straight to the battery to see if I can't get it to fire up. Alright, the fuel pump comes on. Let's see if we're getting gas up here yet. Oh, it's just now starting to push a little bit of fuel into the filter. Let's see if it's coming into the carburetor. Oh, yep, there it goes. Starting to squirt up in there. Let me see if this old electric fan still works. Alright, the fan is working. Let me see if it'll fire up. Let me see what key is it. There goes nothing. Hit the gas a couple times. Oh, the old truck is alive. Don't got much gas in there. Nope, I need to get some more gas. But it's still, old truck fired up, it's alive. Now I gotta go get me some wire. Yep, so I can wire that up to the ignition. Yep, I can't have that hot wire running all the time, so alright, it fired up, it's back alive. That's my little bit of motivation. Now let's see if I can't finish getting it wired up today and be able to go for a test ride. Anyhow, it's alive. I got a little bit more work to do. Everybody have a good day. No time to play.